Look at those boots. Ain't she like new? I think those soles are gonna stay on. Oh, dog's chasing a chipmunk or something. Hey, this sole's starting to come off a little bit too. Hey, oh my goodness. I better get out the glue. Yeah, look at that. New boots again for a while. Anyway, this is how I'm going to do it. This is how I'm going to do it. I think. Okay, now I fed a cable through this, through that thing there, and I'm going to cut this cable, feed it back through this support. This is metal. That'll should hold it really well. And then I'm going to join them. Okay, so let me see. Wonder if I could set up this tripod on something so we can see something here. Let's see. Hey, I don't know. This is a piece of junk. Let's see what I'm doing here. Think it'll stay there? Alright. Alright, I got this guy plugged in. Which cable do I need? This is stronger cable than actually what was on the other one, original. Is this thing gonna work? Safety first. No glasses. Oh, that's alright. Okay, now you can kind of see what I'm doing here. Move the camera a little bit. Yeah, probably be able to see what I'm doing. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to feed this one back through here. See if I can get it through. Come on. Almost. Get by that plastic. Oh, good. Right. Now, just going to clamp these two together. Right about there. Okay. A little bit. Clamp these two together. So when I wanna plow, just pull this out. So I don't need much of a clamp because this is jamming in here, and I think that's a long enough distance. That should be good. Okay, and I'm going to put one of these little clamps on. Boy, those are tiny clamps. Ooh, I better put two. I'll put two just to be safe. Now, if I don't lose this, that's almost losing things. Won't need much because, like I say, it's jammed in there. But, this up here. So, two. They have a tendency, here, I'll get this. They have a tendency of sliding out. These things have a tendency of sliding. So, I'll put two of those clamps on there. But even with one, even like it is there, like I'm saying, you're going to have a heck of a time. Look, it won't even take up the slack in there, just a little bit there. Okay, that should be good. That should be very good. Maybe a little shorter than that. I'll make it a little shorter, and then I'll tighten it up. Anyway, in the winter time, comes to plow. I'm taking those two bolts out, my grill out. When I want to plow, I pull this out, and away you go. Pull that cable out, and away you go. Sorry, not much of a videographer. But anyway, I just figured I'd try to show people a few things, crazy people do. What the hell? Holy cow, that's a big transmission cooler. I like that cooler, yeah. Granny cooler. Seem to be smelling a little antifreeze once in a while from this. I don't know where the heck it could be leaking. Maybe it's coming off this little overflow. I have no idea. Looks a little damp down there. I don't know. Anyway, catch you later, I think. I haven't finished no more on here. I gotta untie that. Gotta put those boards in yet. Put some screws, leg bolts, and I'll put a new bottom board on there. I'll take it off. Okay. Catch you in the next little video. Bye.